Michio's class. Beatrice Blesson and Brianna Maher. Come on up. Ah, sorry.
That's it.
Brianna Maha. Brianna Ma. Brianna Ma is our Reader of the Month for September. Brianna demonstrated her ability during a shared reading activity with the big book, I Can Read Signs. Brianna read them all with enthusiasm. She also enjoys writing and reading the morning message and especially likes using the pointer and playing teacher in the Big Book Center. Keep up the good work, Brianna. Beatrice Blesson. Beatrice Blesson is our Student of the Month. Beatrice brings happy energy and spirit to the kindergarten classroom. She is an active learner who is admired by her peers and the Cavarian staff. For this and more, Beatrice makes me smile with pride. Good job, Beatrice. Eva Parga and Jason